So one more thing we talk about in art when we're talking about composition is something called the rule of thirds. Um, it has to do with composition and how our eye moves about the paper. And I talked a little about this on the video the other day. But one of the things we never do is we never put our drawing in the middle of our page like this. Whoops. Because if we put our drawing in the middle of the page, like this, there's nowhere for our eye to go. So some of you may have seen, even in your cameras, where there'll be a little grid-looking thing like this. That grid is to show you what the rule of thirds are, okay, and where you want to put things and where you don't. You never want to put something right here because your eye doesn't have any place to go. You always want something, your focal points, to be here, or here, or here, or here, okay? So if I'm going to draw maybe some fruit on my page like this, maybe I'll put that apple down here in the corner. And even if I have a couple of other things, so maybe I have a lemon in here, okay? And maybe I have a banana here, okay? So let's look at it if it were over here instead. So that lemon might even go off the page a little bit, giving us something for our eye to look at. And then here's our banana over here. So we have all this wonderful negative space instead of putting everything right in the middle of the page. So that's the rule of thirds. And as we're working through our compositions, I want you to remember that.